In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make custom stickers on WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up WhatsApp app and then just enter a conversation we would like to send our sticker to. After that, we need to tap right here at that stickers icon. Here we got some sticker templates that we can use to send to our conversation. Let's say that one, we can just tap on it to send. However, to create our own sticker, we just need to tap right here where it says create, and then we'll be taken to our camera roll, and from here we can choose any image. Let's say that one. Depending on the complexity of your image, here you may have several options, and that's how you can easily select one of them. Also, we can customize it. We can add there some text. We can draw here something by using these tools here. And then once you are ready to send it, just hit right here to immediately send your sticker to the conversation. After that, all your recently used stickers will be added right here, and then you can, let's say, head over to another conversation, and in the same way we can use our recent stickers to send it to another conversation, just like that. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.